My dress was totally wet.
Hey! Look where you're driving!
You should look where you are walking. The street is not your house.
He did not say sorry, looked at his expensive watch and walked away. He was arrogant, he was cold, instantly. But fate is funny. Sometimes, the person you hate the most becomes the person you cannot live without. Have you ever met someone arrogant on the first day? Tell me in the comments. The next day, I had a big job interview at StarCorp. I was very nervous. I opened the door of the CEO, and my heart stopped. It was him, the arrogant man from the rain.
You? The wet umbrella girl?
Sir? Good morning. I am Maya, the new assistant applicant.
I need an assistant who is perfect.
You are clumsy.
But my grandmother chose your resume. You have 1 month. Don't make mistakes.
He was so strict. I wanted to leave, but I needed the money for my brother's school. Yes, boss. Two weeks passed. Jin was a monster.
Maya, this coffee is too hot. Maya, this report is late by 2 minutes.
He never smiled.
Oh, I am so sorry. It's fine, Maya. Let us help you pick these up. Thank you.
I watched her every day. She was clumsy, yes. She dropped pens. She tripped on the carpet. But she never gave up. She always smiled at the other workers.
Maya? Wake up. Go home. It is late.
No, boss. I must finish this file for you.
For the first time, my cold heart felt a small spark. She was working so hard for me. One evening, the office was empty. Jin was standing by the window. He looked so lonely. Not angry, just lonely.
Sir, here is your green tea.
Maya? Do you have a big family?
Yes, sir. We are poor, but we laugh a lot. We eat dinner together every night.
I have no one. My parents died when I was 10. People only love my money. Nobody cares about Jin. They only care about the CEO.
My heart ached for him. Beneath that expensive suit and cold face, he was just a lonely boy who wanted a hug. That is not true, sir. I mean, Jin, you are a good person. You work hard too. He turned and looked into my eyes. For 5 seconds, nobody spoke. The silence was loud. The next Friday, I was walking to the bus station. It was dark. 3 strange men started following me. I was terrified. My phone battery was dead.
I was driving home when I saw her. My heart raced faster than my car. I jumped out.
Get lost before I call the police!
The men ran away. I was shaking. Suddenly, Jin grabbed my hand. His hand was so warm and big.
Are you crazy? Why are you walking alone in the dark? What if something happened to you?
Why do you care? You are just my boss.
Because I can't breathe when you are in danger, Maya. I am not just your boss anymore.
The rain started again. But this time, we didn't run. We stood on the bridge.
I used to think my life was just black and white. Work, money, sleep. But then you crashed into my life with your broken yellow umbrella.
I ruined your expensive suit.
You saved my life, Maya. You taught me how to smile. I don't want to be the cold CEO anymore. I want to be the man who protects you.
He slowly put his hand on my cheek. My heart was beating like a drum. I didn't hate him anymore. I loved him. The slow, deep kind of love.
It took you a long time to say that, boss.
Call me Jin.
Love is not like a movie. It doesn't happen in 1 second. It takes time.
It grows through small things. A cup of tea, a walk in the rain, a hand to hold when you are scared.
Ready to go home, Maya?
Yes, Jin. Let's go. Did you enjoy this story? What was your favorite scene? Tell me in the comments below.